The drill bit was an effective weapon in the film. Let's see how well it fares in the kitchen. We're going to need to take these potatoes and soak them in the salt water for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. So while the potatoes are soaking, let's work on the sauce. So the sauce consists of roasted diced tomatoes, tomato paste, guava sauce, and other condiments. You're going to want to bring your stove to a medium heat and add the ingredients one at a time. You can skin the potatoes if you'd like, but I prefer a crispier texture, so I like to leave the skin on. So for this cutting task, you're going to need 2 cutting boards. Just take the small cutting board and overlap it over the larger cutting board. We take our potatoes out of the salted water and we place them gently on the large cutting board. Now we're going to rest the potato on the top of the small cutting board. You're going to want to cut one side down the line and use straight cuts. Next, flip it 180 degrees and now cut it at a slight angle. You can choose to skewer the whole potato, but for an easier, faster cooking option, cut it in half and carefully drive the wooden skewer through the potato from end to end. Roll them under a light shower of olive oil, then proceed to sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese and parsley flakes. Lastly, drizzle the gory ketchup over the potatoes as you continue to roll them, evening out the sauce. Roll those bad boys and let the diced tomatoes fill the spiral, resembling the drill piercing through the victim's insides. Wow, so pretty. You're all so pretty. You can make this snack for parties, dinner parties, friends, family, and it's a delicious snack that has minimal prep and cook time for under 30 minutes.
All of you are very pretty.
Please don't do this.
I love you.